needs a bath, but you know. I'm only doing a very low dose of training, to be honest with you. Like I said, 150 at the minute, but it does give dramatic results. Tips to grow back: bent over row. So the best, to be fair, when I'm bulking, you only need 3 exercises to really get a strong grip back. You obviously need more, but 3 exercises are key. Wide grip pull-ups, just increase your pull-ups, the weight and reps as much as possible. Do you need me to approve that? Sorry, just give me 1 second, just got to... But yeah, and bent over rows, pushing the weight and reps, and rack pulls, really heavy rack pulls, really just progressively overloading on them will develop your back and make it massive, traps, lats and everything. Okay, 200 mg tested and masked.